what time when them get ripe? There's this one these two right here.
Yes, they're turning out.
That turned for me. So I'm gonna take them and eat breakfast. See Jamaica? This is my grandmother's church, right? How old are you?
Up in my 70s.
70s?
Yeah, man.
What do you like about this place, Manchester?
Manchester. I love it the best because me born a cricket.
Mm-hmm.
And me travel all over the place and boy, everywhere me go. Nothing wrong with the place, it's with the people.
These are the best smell. This is to die for.
Yes.
This here smell here, sir.
Yes.
Are the best smell of the world.
Yes.
Where do I get the tangerine tree them for plant?
Well,
I buy them at the
you can get them at the
place, right?
yes. Like Mandeville, all quality trees you want, you can get a Mandeville, Christiana. They have them selling.
Tangerine was one of my favorite.
Mm-hmm. And if you should ask somebody, they can get the sucker for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the sucker, they all about around.
From for them tree?
Yes, from for them tree.
And just plant it?
And just plant it.
You can even graft that too?
Yes, you can graft,
So more of a plant a whole heap of trees, man.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
Them not have nowhere no land selling around here.
Well, people are land selling, but I have to know them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have to know them.
A lot of my friends want to buy land in the mountains.
I like Mida, them you can ask them, Philip wife.
Who's that?
Mida.
Who's Mida?
Philip, you know Philip?
No.
Philip used to buy yam down right before the meat house there.
Yeah.
You know, see the house where Sugar Black round, it's beside the old meat now.
Yeah, that.
Philip yard, but in there,
Okay.
You see one white front truck park.
Yes.
Yeah.
Philip's gone.
My nephew, DNA.
Mm-hmm.
DNA that.
No, man, my friend them want to leave the States and start farming
Yes.
and export.
You can get better place than here, so man, where you can drive going, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. And them are mountain and the mountain, and it's dry time, it looks pleasant, but it's rain time. No problem.
Slippery.
Yeah, man, that's bad. You can get better place than here. You can do any plant, any other thing,
Mm-hmm.
It's a pure stone,
Yeah.
Like, we grow a tree also,
Yeah.
It's like you want to plant anything to eat also. Beside it. Stone it.
But well, we know say carlo cabbage can grow.
Yeah, man.
We know say potato and yam can grow, banana,
Yeah, man. I think here are them.
cane. But we are talking about strictly yam,
Yes.
Yam country. Beautiful.
Yes, man.
More of a plow up 5 acres of yam. And ship them out,
If you don't mean, you see back that side there?
Yeah.
Red moat.
Mhm.
Like Wilpy. You
Yeah.
see that mountain there?
Yeah.
There's a level down in between the two mountains there.
Yeah. Oh, they must have said the plane. They see the plane and they say, what? Oh.
Dougie and Batman's Barrel's son. Yo! I'm set up my satellite, man.
Them say I fly plane. Them say,
I'm set up my satellite, man. You have to be careful of me, Yeah.
them say I send up it. Them never know say you're high tech.
Yeah.
I hide from them long time.
So me I tell you, see back that side, you know.
Yeah.
You can get your tractor and plow up your land, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you get land on those places you work.
Mm-hmm.
You can use tractor.
Yeah.
You don't need happy, you know, can drive go in your farm.
Mm-hmm.
You can park a roadside and turn up and look on your farm.
Yes.
You're happy in no bush.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Because most of the people them up on this side, they out that side, them work, you know, because the land is level and, you know, fertile.
Okay.
Mm.
It's a beautiful place, man.
Yes, man. A whole of the land is Sanders land, you know, where you look on.
Sanders?
Yes.
Who that?
Tony.
Tony Sanders?
Yes,
Still
and
living?
Light, yeah, man, and Light Sanders. George Sanders. George live under the gully under here, so.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. But he's sickly.
Okay.
You know, son named Brian, we are police, we live out a big house out there.
Mm-hmm.
You see where the two road turn, we go around the supermarket.
Yeah.
Before we right out in high level there, so.
Who have the most land here?
Sanders them, sir.
Sanders.
Sanders and Bennett.
And Bennett,
Yes.
us.
Yes, man. Enough land no have here, man. All a backwood. Over there, so.
Yeah. Masberry's family.
Yes. Masberry used to walk over there, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
And him still want it?
Mm.
The family?
I'll pack to plant in boom over.
Pops no plant no more.
And you change up this spot.
Oh, Masberry's. Bennett.
Come
No,
here.
Masberry's
Come
house
here.
that?
No, yeah, where you was living first.
Yeah.
It's a ground, you know.
Yeah.
A Bennett land, you know.
This ground here, sir?
Yes.
And who a plant on it?
City.
Who are shitty?
You know Auntie Floret's son.
Oh,
We live beside Raja.
the one with the donkey.
Yes.
Oh,
That farm, that is a farm up in City.
okay.
But Auntie, over there, so Auntie Sina, them brother as well, them used to work.
Yeah, so am I Bennett?
Yes, no, him a Thompson. But him mother Bennett.
Mother Bennett. So right, all of the look on the house. You see the house up on the top?
That a buck up, George Wilson.
Yeah.
You have to go buck up now and turn up and have a road drive. You go right.
Them one land too.
And see what next road go back Brandon Hill.
Yeah.
The two road branch off.
Uh-huh.
One go up on this side of hill and one go up on the next side of hill.
Okay. All right. So you say
All over there, so now a fertile land, you know.
over here, sir?
Yes, man. I'm going to say, you know, the road not nice to go there, but you can walk around.
So now a shit. Who control it?
A shitty control, you know.
The whole over there, sir.
Not the whole of it, because they sell some of it.
Okay.
But as well sell some of it. But the land gone way back over, you know.
Way back.
Yes.
So a man just can't come in land and farm. A problem.
Yeah, you know, no problem. As long as you cooperate with the family there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you understand.
Wow. So now that building right here, that used to be
It was a kitchen they was making for the church.
for the church.
But
But back further, show me where mama land there.
you know, me no know the line, but we know they're behind the kitchen.
Behind the kitchen.
Go right behind the kitchen.
Okay.
Put on one shoe.
And they come home for check out the thing.
You go beside the church side and the road.
Yeah. Beautiful, man. This is my home. This right here is my home of a build a legacy, you know. Jamaica, see it there? I'm gonna try expand the yam estate. Yam is like gold right now, very expensive. Baba say you can rent a piece of land, 5 acres. Under 5,000 you can clean it up. Plant X amount of yam acres. Get yourself a van. You see when you're done, drop that at the wharf, man. Money can't done. Now this is real money. And when them educated us, them never tell us the formula. We left here thinking, yeah man, better life in America. See the money there? We left the money. We left the money right here, so. My father, for parents and families, passengers. The passenger used to come with a big truck and take the yam from the Bennett, all the way from St. Anne's. So they used to take the yam from my grandmother. You see? So now that we're growing older and we've seen the states and how estates are built, how empires are built, and this is ours, you know, we have to now start focus and deal with it on a financial level because we grow as man now. We have to start set up infrastructure. I'll give thanks to my grandmother. 14 kids. So this is Randy, passenger for Save Jamaica.com. Whew. This is it. When you're in the States, you rent out a piece of land, you pay someone to farm on it, then you reap the benefit. You don't have to farm on it. Then you buy a van, then you get older. The guy, what's his name down there, Rooster, he's the one that raised the pig. Then he's raising pig. Everybody's doing something. But the peace and tranquility here is infinite. This is what you call Mount Zion.
Yeah, man.
So you live on top of, you're the gatekeeper.
Yes, man. You're the doorkeeper.
You're protected. We're so happy to be here. You know, I dream about this place all the time.
Yeah, man.
You know, cause when we look like us, so we used to come and
Yes, man.
when you're younger, you know, and this thing teach you.
Yes, man.
No book can't teach you what this a teach you, you know.
No.
It's the God there. You can't compare. When you look at the magnificent, how much life there, so.
Yes, man.
Billions and zillions of life.
People make money and people, the right people not left you go nowhere, you know, but you have to use up your head. You see, when you get money
Yeah.
and you are investing,
Yeah.
you can make money, but you have to be wise.
Mm-hmm.
Because you see all the yam,
Mm-hmm.
if you had a side to plant the yam, at 170 for yam now, I go near 200,000 for 100 for yam, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yam.
Because of the drought earlier in the year, plus the demand all over the world.
Yeah. You see, and things are go up. Things are
Last year,
up.
what was the price?
It was, no, it go and come, you know. Sometime like December going down now to February, the price come back down.
Yeah.
Come back down to all 6,000, 5,000,
Mm-hmm.
7,000.
Yeah?
Yeah. But
right now,
when you reach up now from June, July,
mm-hmm.
going up,
Yeah.
the price go right up. It's 170, you know.
High.
Yeah,
One of the
high.
highest it ever been.
Yes, highest.
So that's why I
The
say.
4 parents never see them a price in a yam.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. We never see those price in a yam.
Well, if we go plant some yam, man.
Yeah, man, but you know, plant a year so where you have so much problem.
Mm-hmm.
You plant in a year where you can get all the stick to buy easy.
To buy.
Yes. If man just cut, you chop past with the yam stick, you know, this can drop here your gate.
Them deliver yam stick now.
Yeah, you buy, you have to buy it from them. Them cut you and carry out, can sell.
Okay.
Hey. Yeah, man. You know have to talk about you go cut yam stick.
Mm-hmm.
You want a 1,000 yam to chuck this, come in with the country down at your gate.
Mm-hmm.
Then you pay a man now to drum it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You get a good man who can run your farm.
Yeah.
You have money, man.
I'm paying.
Yeah, you have money, man. It's all peas,
Mm-hmm.
corn, and those things, the beer pan them side, I know.
Peas and corn.
Peas and corn, man.
And the corn 100% organic, no
Yes,
pesticide.
Yes, man. That's all you do by fertilizer.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Because it's true the things them plant with fertilizer, you have to keep on use fertilizer.
Deal with them.
And deal with them.
Are you a dog?
Yeah, and a rice stand, you know, but I hope I ain't go and come here. A mange, man.
Him sick.
He sick, man. That man won't look at that dog, man. Go ahead, Pandy.
Yes, see them under the God power. Look how beautiful, man.
She placed a heavy tree, you know, behind the mountain, the high mountain there.
Heavy tree.
Mm.
So which part of the place name?
The Devon there. So we pull them there up there.
Devon.
I burn.
So we're Christian are they?
Christian at the back that side. You
This-
can't see Christian there
Yes.
behind that mountain.
Behind that mountain.
See then you know, see where the tree is. Come here, sir. See the round head pole there, see there.
I to look on Cuba. At the highest place there.
Yeah, see round head thing there.
Yeah.
That's what this last fight in Jamaica. Spy anyway when you did it. So a soldier live up there, you know.
US soldiers.
Jamaican US soldier.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, motor helicopter can land up there. You know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. You have a base up there, you know, where the plane can land from.
Yeah.
Helicopter.
A helicopter.
Yeah, man. This come down.
I hate them use for look on Cuba.
Yes, man.
One of the highest places in Jamaica.
Yes, man.
St. Elizabeth or Manchester.
Manchester.
Yeah.
One next one up there, the place up there where they mark to one build one, and have something there too. Up on the mountain there. They have a plant tree up there too.
Eh?
Up where we was spying already. We used to be house in there.
Yeah. What am I
You know, them they spotted to that the region, the high mountain there over Senti there. Then set up them thing that they then get the height to that mountain over there.
Yeah. St. Elizabeth that way.
St. Elizabeth. No, Kaiser, them place there. Black River, all them go back so. Always see them fog there, Senti, you know.
St. Elizabeth, fog.
It's the mountain we come down there, that tall mountain over there, so. Over where the fog there.
Yeah.
A poultry hill, you know, carry you right down to St. Elizabeth.
Yes, yes.
You see, a poultry hill, that the mountain there. A whole heap of motor crash upon that the hill, the man, to it's steep, you know.
Okay.
And kill people. So until you come out for that, the hill are purely blue there in a St. Elizabeth.
Okay, okay.
Always you see them fog there, a Senti, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
See all them house where you look one day, a Senti, go back so.
All the way go back, so. Nice.
You have now that where them pole, you know, carry you back now to Christiana, Shudley, on the gas station. Every time gas station, if you want to go Kingston or you want to go back Christiana or Spalding, you turn on this hand, left.
So where's your family now? Them local?
Craig.
Craig?
My mother and father originate from Craig, but most of these people in that's my family.
Yeah.
Like how me I tell you, so me and you are family. My mother come from Harrowatch, you know.
Yeah.
My mother born and grew at Harrowatch. My mother a wolf.
Wolf.
Yes. You don't know if you know one man the name Bazi Wolf, where control one church up at Ginger Pieces. So.
No, no.
He live right in the crossroad, right beside one business shop where you turn right yourself and go. You see school gate? One shop there right at school gate, you turn right, you go up on my grandfather's yard.
Nice. This is beautiful, man.
Yeah.
And you never lived nowhere else but here?
Yeah,
In
man, me
Jamaica?
live all out that side already, man.
Yeah.
Cause I radio work me do, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, TV and radio and anything they me fix.
So you fix that for people around here?
Yeah, man. Everybody around here, me work for them.
Electronics?
Yeah, man.
So anything?
I me fix sewing machine and anything there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh. So anybody have them things?
Yes, man. They just check me. They just check me. All the same guy where I call to me, they have me fix them thing.
Yeah. Same thing, say you have something new.
Yes, yes.
Yes, man. It's so beautiful. So Maya built a big house.
Yes, man. Jonathan.
Jonathan,
Mm-hmm.
Maya son.
Mm-hmm. They was here another year and gone up back.
Mm-hmm. Jamaica. Anything is possible.
Yes, man. Yes, you can make you can satisfy yourself, just like how you go foreign and live there for years
Yeah.
and you're comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
And when you come here, you can't live serious, but you have to set the stage.
Mm-hmm.
Because money is a thing we slippery fast, And if you are spending and you not spending wise, it's gone.
Yeah, yeah.
So you have to spend it that you have a investment,
Yeah.
good income where you can make something happen.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you plant up some yam now, get good land
Yeah.
and plant up vegetable. Because those land, man, sweet potato sell how much? You plant sweet potato, you plant cocoa,
Mm-hmm.
that sell how much? 100. All right, that's how people make them build their living, man.
Mm-hmm.
But the young people, them can't no love the farming.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why you see,
Them gone.
it's gone. Because easier so, man. When you fi travel na the mountain, easy. Bitter you fi make you dead.
You see people foot broken, sprain and
All quality things, man. You understand? So people now a run from those hard life. Them go now and then get the backside land, them to rent. Like Calvin down there.
mm-hmm.
Backside land they rent, man, from Ballinor up. Label land them.
Them can't deal with
Then
the
just drive, go to them farm, go work and come back.
mm-hmm.
Come and go work and come in back. Yeah, man. All first time Calvin, them have to go all a backwood or over phone place there.
Mm-hmm.
Go work. So mine all them kids when had it. Now we don't have to do it again. Left them the land there. And go rent level land. And just drive go park and farm.
Yeah.
And raise cow. You see all cow?
Mm-hmm.
The cow come here and you buy cow, you raise cow here, man, you make money, man.
Much for one cow.
Like to the size. Like to, one little pig right here now, $6,000 for him, more so,
A little pig.
$6,000.
Yeah.
So if you make a farm, see a rooster, them, a hog, them raise and cow.
The White House, the Rooster House. That one long is sir.
Yeah, the one right down behind the tree, them there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Rooster house.
And we're raise hog.
And cow. They make something like you go, man. When you sell one cow, you have over 100,000.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cow and pig are the thing.
Cow and pig, man. Jonathan and fowl.
Fowl, cow and pig.
Pig.
So you need water for them and feeding.
Yes.
You have to tie them.
You
But
have
goat good too.
Goat good too, but the goat more, cause through them dangerous. Anything them eat him more, kill it.
Do we kill the goat them?
No, he will kill the plants. If
Okay.
you don't have a real place to tie them.
Oh,
You
them will
cannot-
eat up your whole field.
Yes, eat up
A
your
man will kill your
A
goat.
man will kill your goat. Just like your hog or your cow too, if you let it go in a man place, they will kill it.
Mm-hmm.
But if you come here, you make your own farm.
Mm-hmm.
You build your own farm.
Mm-hmm.
You own him place to keep your hog.
Mm-hmm.
All you do, you just, when you have water now, morning time you just get up and you have water, you put on your hose, wash out your pen and feed your hog. No trouble.
Yeah, yeah. The hog need feeding.
Yes.
A breadfruit and yam can make him fat and nice.
Everything, all the grass you they eat, certain grass you they eat.
Trumpet leaf too.
But it hurtful.
No, for the goat. The goat, sorry, the goat eat the trumpet leaf.
Yeah,
Not the hog. But the hog eat the pear too.
everything.
Everything him touch.
See, and you can chop up it, throw it down, give them the yam skin, you don't have
Cook
to boil
breadfruit.
it.
Cook
You don't have to cook it, just throw it down and eat it.
Right breadfruit them love.
Yeah, everything, man. The only thing you know, hag is the like our water time now, and the pear drop off a tree, and the other tree they feel all 3 days we soft. If you give the hag, you will sick in the hag.
Oh,
Give them fever, you know.
okay.
But as the pear turn, you can't throw it, give them.
Mm-hmm.
They eat it. Better for them.
Okay,
But
not
like
too soft.
the pear drop on the earth, you know, and the water soak it,
Mm-hmm.
you take it, give them fever. Can kill them too.
Mm-hmm. So now, what you eat and drink for keep healthy? Cause you don't have no sickness.
I mean, not really trouble with no definite sickness.
Well,
Definite.
you're up on the most peaceful mountain. Are you? I mean,
Yeah,
you bring out your chair.
Yeah, man.
You have a chair?
Like what kind of chair?
Just a chair for sit down.
Oh, yeah.
Bring a chair for me.
No, you know, the chair them occupy something on them.
Okay. So you sit down out there, so?
Me no there daytime, you know.
Where you there?
Me there up, me work up, so you know, me have a shop where me work up there.
With the TV and the thing them?
Me have a brethren, me and work together.
Okay. But you have the most amazing view in Jamaica, you know? You?
Yeah, man.
So you don't have no sick, no high blood pressure, no?
Me have complain, but no complain with trouble me from work or walk or whatever. Have to give thanks, you know.
Yeah, man. So no rain and go fall today?
Well, you can't get the car at the month for you know, you know.
It look like it have the cloud might change later.
You see in the morning part, you will get the sunshine, but when it got all 12, 1 o'clock upward. A good time we are seeing how to we pass when we are youth.
Yeah.
First time, them a time you have rain a fall from morning till night.
No bush, no farming can go
You have
on.
to just can barely go look like a sit feet and come in back. But them a time now, you can't go a bush, go walk half day and come out back before rain. And look your food and whatever you want. But me advise you, if you want to come here and do invest, don't take these hilly places here. You're not going to progress off of it. You know, unless like an animal you are going to read, like goat or so, where you can't let them go in a bush. But man, we still thief them. So you're in all danger.
For goat?
Yes.
But pig different?
Then we thief a pig, but the harder for pig because when you hold
pig
a
a squeal.
and make hold it for nice. if you have a say even 2 or 3 pen a pig, you buy the sow.
Yeah.
The mother sow and a boar we can breed the hog. One pig you sell at 6,000, 7,000 left to his size. One little pig, you just buy bag feed and feed them.
So at any stage you can sell them?
Sell them after them born and reach up to them size,
Yeah.
where they can tie,
Yeah.
you start sell them. As long as they can tie, you start sell them. Right now, since we got to myself, you want lady around the road there. $12,000. See them here?
Nice.
Then you feeding, you know. Man, you have all your farm here, the man will drive him or riding bike with him, like Maya sell feeding, you know. Up a crib there.
Me say them deliver feeding right to your door
Yeah,
now.
man, right at your door. Gas, if you want gas, then come right at your door with the gas.
Yeah.
So in your run, so we know that hard is like first time. Where you have to live for a Christian or mile gully go buy anything. Come right at your door, you just order it. And when they come with your peer. Nobody about you not going to go buy no gas, nor feed, nor anything there. Unless you are okay to a man, they will know, then you will just buy it and come with it. But if you die, you just order it, then come right at your gate with it.
The place change.
Yeah, man.
It's
And
nice.
man, them will travel foreign and come back or invest here, you know.
Mhm.
And them are run things.
Yeah.
A little more when you come here, so now Jonathan, I have everything there, so I sell.
Me here, same. Man, them all have big sale and people block up the road.
When you look down, you see like how you do this now.
Yeah.
When you come up there, so everything will go there. And put them out there now and you go pick where you want.
Clothes.
Yes.
Radio.
Everything where you want. If you can load one container from over there.
From foreign.
From foreign and
And
come
drop
here.
yourself.
And
Lord
drop yourself.
God, done.
Money.
Old lawnmower.
Yes,
weed
yes.
whacker.
Yes,
Generator.
everything. Saw, everything. Bike.
Whole
You come here,
everything.
so. And some of them living on man. Them is in there.
The king. Them are the king on our way.
Yes.
Good for them, man. I like how them move. This is how Jamaicans need to do.
Yes.
Business.
Them man, them are good soul, man.
Yes.
Them buy bike, van, car, truck, and give man for drive it, go deliver them goods. Right now you made there, you see 2 bike pass, a bike then say no go. You want gas, and can come out your yard, you want feeding, and can come out your yard. And then come with the receipt, you just give your receipt, you pay your money and then gone.
Them are compete with the Chinese.
Yes.
So man like Maya is Jamaica hope formula.
Yeah, man.
So we can own the thing them, distribute it, own it, hire, build up a country.
Yes, man, build up your country.
Maya, when I see this video, give thanks for them, man. Big up on yourself.
Good man, them, man.
I want to interview the family to help the Jamaica to understand how them do them business, how them a build up Jamaica. I want to interview them, man. But love to see it, right?
So you see the 1 building alone care of now.
The one house?
One house. And them your investment alive, man.
Yeah,
your
man.
Money sit down one place, your money no last. If you want to sell it or anything, you want to do your money.
But you know, yes, but
That's how you go, you know.
I see. But you know, see the liquor spot there, that liquor spot right there, sir.
You couldn't believe that could stay like that. I look on it now.
Yes, that liquor spot they run the whole Manchester.
Whole Manchester.
And people don't know.
They say when they come here, them sometimes down in February, then they die.
Yeah.
And man, if you see people down at the place, they are buying things. You don't think a Christian. Who want TV, who want DVD, who are component set, everything. Who want saw. If you want tool, mechanic tool, everything they carry. I see upon sale. Lotion, dress, shoes, everything.
Hat,
everything.
Sweater,
everything.
Sleeping, you name it.
Everything where you want, right now, man. Then container, then load and carry down, man. And you just put down your things, man. And you, farmman here say you have things that sell. Man come for. This is some breed of people, man. Business people will come here, come buy something. Can then get it cheaper and how they would go there.
Okay. Mr. Way I say.
Yes.
Mr. Way I say. So it is buy and sell, do the thing.
You buy and sell, man. You get
container.
Yes, man. Those can load a container. I like your yard, you know.
If we get some second-hand microwave, would that kill it? Right?
No more.
If I just microwave in the container, weed whacker.
Yes.
And spray thing for.
And then bicycle, man. You see, bicycle parts.
Yeah.
Bike parts.
All car parts.
All of them things.
Anything
all of them things there. As long as it's good, you
can work.
Sell and work. Man come for all boat, come buy it, man. You go and hear say you have it.
Even car engine.
Same way.
Real business, real Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
In the mountains. Yeah. It is possible.
But if you like or you leave here for a long time now and go here foreign, And if you come back here now, if you come talk about you are going at them area. I kill you, go kill yourself, man.
Buy and sell is better.
Buy and sell, man. You know have to go now with turn up seeing some money a come to you. Them go and see this something before them.
Eh.
And you know say a good something. Money a come in your hand.
Cause generator all in America, them people them dash them way, you know.
Yes, man. Let me tell you, man. Bicycle. And
So some old hoe and fork and
everything where you know I use because them have something use yeah. If them have no hungry man, bill and hungry
bill
pan
hung
them
upon
and
them.
bill and hungry pan
Knife, good
them.
knife,
Everything.
pot.
Yes, man. Our man did live in here, no, but in there now, he married to deliver on the society, them sparks them there.
Mm-hmm.
In there. You see the pot he used to sell. Drive and sell pot. And the money that the man make around. And just go shop and one man a buy all 1,000.
If a man bring some old washing machine around here, so it done.
Yes, sell same way, man. Sell same way, as long as it good.
How long it work?
And if he not in my work and he can fix,
Them people will fix it.
people put you.
Our old flat, old TV still even people buy it.
Yes, man.
Even the old one them.
Yes, people buy it, man, as long as it can work, man. People buy them. Because some of them are like over foreign, the people just put them out like they have a little part, they're not bad.
Then gone.
Come here, man, fix them, man.
Throw all that old couch in there, then buy the couch.
Yeah.
Chair.
Yeah, and wrap them over.
Come and know, say chair around here, so you know, expensive, you know.
Yes, man.
A simple chair.
Yeah, man.
I forgot man to look buy a chair.
Yeah.
So even the plastic chair, them would have buy it up.
Yeah, buy it up, man. Buy it up.
Hmm.
You dad in a place, man. If you decide to reside here, all you do, you set a good plan.
Yes.
And you look a place. You look a place, a solid place. You have that grill and then thing they come and you pop down your place, you know.
Yes.
So you look a place like how you see my set up in place, you know. When he put something in there, so now
You can't get
you can't go in there. You can't go your walk go in there.
Where you go in there, you can't.
And in your some dog there, you can't go around nowhere around the back there. They no use to nobody, then tear you up like a lion. You see them fence it out with mesh. Round this building, you go right round. Dog can't come out. And if you go over there, you near me up. And go who in the yard, no more can deal with them. And no common dog them, you know, and care them come here.
Terrible.
Yeah, man.
I mean, no say you have to have your dog them in Jamaica.
Yeah,
Terrible dog.
You come here, man, you know what? You talk about you go in them bush. You set up a farm. You set up a... You just want to get up, this is like a piece of command, you know, with a big house at the part.
Yeah.
And you get a piece, a dwelling house place like that with that place there. You can do a lot of things on it. You can raise your hog, you can raise your cow, you can have your motor, you go get your grass, can control down, give them, you know. You know, have you up and down with them like a hog and goat. You have a good motor like a little truck, a scrammy, small truck. You can carry your things. You go out there. So conveniently, man, them man left out of the bush, them left out of them wilderness there.
And set up them
And
things.
set up themselves.
Well, the beauty and the tranquility, look how beautiful.
But you know, you can go around. You can go around, right round and round. If you are sell, you can go right round and round because the way open. But like when me and you there, so now, if you come back as go invest money, you not make nothing here so. You understand me?
Mm-hmm,
We're
mm-hmm.
part with the yasso.
Mm-hmm.
Because the people them a look for the, you know, easier part of living.
Years so no money no there, so
No
nobody not spend nothing
money,
here,
man.
so.
We come here come spend money, but they not come up here so come spend it.
Mm-hmm.
Like you saw my build at the place, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You can't see this, so I make back every cent.
Mm-hmm.
You hear me say?
Mm-hmm.
Because he might put things where people want.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah. Well, we want locally
Yes.
and not too far.
And it's cheaper than when they would have they go buy it.
Yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah.
it come as a second hand.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it then get it cheaper.
Yeah, yeah.
You make more money.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And them know.
Yeah.
The only way you make money here, you say, which is hard. If you go into the hill go plant a yam, it's hard.
Hard, man.
If you raise your pig them,
What you think of me why you say hard? You don't have no road.
mm-hmm.
Like you down going there now, and you could have go in a bush and want to go and 10,000.
If you bring out the yam, they bring out
the yam man, all them thing there.
if you bring it out
To bring
hard.
it, pay man to keep on the head. No road, not him donkey road.
So now you have payment, so it don't make no
It
sense.
don't make no sense.
So we are things if we set up a cable system.
You see, on that side there, man. You see that side, that mountain side where you look on there?
Yeah.
Go right up to Harwatch, Ballinor. Those are land where you can get a rent lease. And if you want to farming, all you want, man, is drive your motor go park at your roadside, at your farm side. Can your man go work with, do the work. Or you can them go drop them and leave them when you're ready, you come back.
Mm-hmm.
See them, you understand? And so them do it, Calvin them you do it, man. See all the man a go along with a white car there.
Mm-hmm.
Also they walking upon that they come that mountain the way you see they are level land on about them. You know
Okay.
who they will be.
Okay.
And who all of them man they up so also they walk. The little truck where you see pass, you know, and they them a go they walk.
So no matter.
They sell same place a roadside, they not be careful.
Wow, the hard part is round here so hard.
Round there so hard, man. And no road.
Yeah, slip on here, bring down here, you have a problem.
Mash up, I'll drop off of your head, mash up.
Then your knee hurt you.
Cut, you get all quality. That's why you see I don't build up, you know, because the people that know the hardness of life what they go through when they were young.
Mm-hmm.
So them go to a little easier place. Because if you was here, you know, you would not consider that. Maybe you have to get up Ghana backward.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, you're right. I mean, yeah, so here so is beautiful, but it's tough.
You can live here. You so live here because it's quiet.
Mm-hmm.
So if you live here because it's quiet.
After America, we love this.
Yes.
We not even care about much about the money.
No.
We just go and get up,
Yes.
drink some mint tea and some fever grass tea, plant with little garden, avocado. After America, we will eat callaloo, cabbage, and plantain. We would come here and farm just to eat. We wouldn't even care much about say we make money and we just want rest. We just want to forget. Would I spend time a plant with pepper?
Yes.
With flowers?
Yes.
You see, this is retirement for you. This is...
You come here now right now.
Yeah.
You don't need buy peas. You can plant your own peas. You can go shop buy one tire peas or two or a quarter.
When you come back, it's all about when we go plant for cook. You know, we just would have love to just plant trees for the next generation. Pick ackee. We're not really in the money making thing. No.
You just want to turn over your money.
You just want to invite your friends them over and
when they come, you don't need to go buy things.
I would buy 2 cars. One for me and one for a taxi.
Yes, all taxi.
And would I use the taxi for the youth them for go school?
Yes.
On this route.
Yes.
Cheaper for the kids them.
Yeah, man.
And would I just run it for the kids them?
Yes.
Like a minivan.
Yes.
So them not for walk no more and charge them really less.
Yes.
For go school.
Yes. They make money.
It's just a little minivan.
They make money, man.
would I get for them?
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, it's all about the little picking them. And you see that shop there, Mama shop?
Mm-hmm.
Now each computer in America, I'm going to start buy a computer now. I turn to a computer center.
Yes.
So them can come print, learn computer.
Yes,
I'm going to teach them computer from the shop.
Yes.
So that's what me I go do.
Yes.
For build up the thing. I'm going to
Yeah,
turn that into a
Yeah.
computer center.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just build a bathroom on it.
Yes.
So them are going to come from all over when them here say have computer center,
Yeah, man.
an internet cafe.
Yes.
You see me? That is what me I go do. And that for the community alone, when we seal it up and weld up the computer them in the wall, you come in there, you see a little shop there? That is gonna be the computer center for Norway. And so me come down for kind of check upon what improvement I can make.
Yes.
I'm a computer man, so that is my thing. You see. And my brother would have buy a little mini bus for the little kids. Them still here, so them I walk 8 miles.
We don't worry to worry what you have to walk to school morning, noon and night.
No man, and nobody have no little mini bus for them.
Nobody no prepare them no. Like
So,
taxi come from
I just
that
taxi.
taxi we
And
come
but the
and
taxi-
who can afford it?
Yeah, and the taxi park. And the thing about it is that if I just gas you have to buy for the van, I not really for profit. I just so the picnic them can go school.
You can buy back your gas, man.
You see me? If
can
you
buy
make it
back your
cheap,
gas and buy
how
back
much
your
for a
oil.
kid leave from here to school around so?
Well, you see, from here now, like Harwatch,
Yeah.
if you take it from Goodington, you pay $50 for Harwatch.
Yeah.
Like if you take somebody now from here to Mile Gully,
Yeah.
$200, $250
To Mile
to
Gully.
Mile Gully. If
Yeah.
you go Mandeville, $700 from here, go and come to Mandeville.
Enough
you know.
money that for them, you know.
If you live,
And them I go school at Mandeville.
yeah, who go to school at Mandeville.
Boy.
And the fare is $700.
So even just a mini bus
Yes.
instead of a taxi, because taxi have a space. Even if you buy a nice mini bus just for the route here, you don't make so much money.
You make money because you can go two sides. If you don't want to go side, you can go so and come round and come back this side.
Yeah.
And you can go so and come back round that side.
Mm-hmm.
You know. But how they run it now, you have to license the motor in your area,
And the route.
the road.
And sometimes it's
Because
hard.
you can run up and down in our next man road.
You can't license from here all the way to Mandeville.
Yeah, man, you license.
can.
Yeah, man.
More money.
Yes, more money.
But that the route that from Yasso to Mandeville, you know how much people that take it?
What? What?
Because no coaster or no bus no come from Yasso to Mandeville. None.
No. And
So you-
sometimes the people them generally have to go so walk up so because
The taxi now comes that
now
far.
come fast. Some you find 2 go Mile Gully, 2 go Christiana, but they're not coming fast because Calvin has son a run taxi in us in yard where Blue Drum there.
Yeah.
He run taxi a morning time. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes fooling can't carry you.
Yes, that's the
Can't
problem.
carry small.
So instead of having car, we should have like a minibuses.
You have a mini bus.
For around here, that is a
Yes.
big business for around here. Minibus.
That-
People happy. Them, you bring the kids them go school. And just make a little computer center right there. When them come, them take taxi, come up, let's use the computer.
All of van a go and I don't have no one on my van.
Mm-hmm.
Can come deliver gas and anything.
Yeah.
Coal feed and anything there.
The potential for here for the children is really good. Me what?
Anybody, you see right in here, so
Mm-hmm.
if you have a transport, because Concord they right here, so now here, so Concord make money.
What's Concord?
Bill,
The what?
that's Barrow's son, Bill,
Okay.
Basil brother.
Okay.
Yeah, they make money, man. We morning drive out, see that type of bus there, you have
Yeah,
one
yeah.
of them.
Yeah.
They make money.
Yeah.
Can carry more 3 seats,
Yeah.
can carry more of people.
Mm-hmm.
They make type of motor you want.
Yeah. And you can find trusted drivers.
Yeah, man. Find trusted drivers. Same place in your district, you can find man who drive you.
Mm-hmm. Lovely place.
Mm-hmm.
It's just lovely.
Mm-hmm.
I have to come back for help to build it.
Yeah,
The first thing I go do, I go start the computer center.
All we want you do.
Mm-hmm.
Anything where you start off,
Yeah.
you know, go big in it, you try
Go
it
small.
out first.
Take your time.
You understand? Because you see what you work for already,
Yeah.
you have to be wise when you are spending.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Because where you one amount of money you can over there and make you can't make it that fast.
Yeah.
So you have to conscious on the spending when you come
Mm-hmm.
here.
Mm-hmm.
No say if you are going to spend 100,000, you can't make it back.
Yeah.
You're not going to make it that fast, but you will make it back.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So when you're in an era now, you can plant your little food, you don't have to buy food.
Exactly.
You can plant your
Make a
little
little
something,
chicken
yes.
if you want
you
chicken.
You see plant and all them thing there, and you had the land for planting. Master then sitting there, people want to buy.
Planting.
Same place as you grow. Yes, man. You see my plant have a hole around a yard. A planting, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Planting, man. Yeah, rather them. A bad mind people turn down rather make rather than so, you know. Rather come from foreign with motor, come here, car and truck and van. I said that brother will live there, so
Mm-hmm.
you know him.